Hey love, so long time no see. The hair color is different. It looks shorter, but it's not. It's just because it's in a single braid, so like it's in like a French braid type thing, so it looks way shorter. But my hair is like still down like to my rib cage, but that's not the point. Sorry, that was my dad sneezing. But yeah, my hair is still down to my rib cage. It's just because it's in a single braid, and obviously when you put it in a single braid, it's gonna shorten your hair like a lot. But anyway, that's not the point. So yeah, I look different from this video that you're about to watch. I just wanted to come on here because I knew the intro wasn't gonna make sense, because this video was filmed like literally like 3 months ago, like end of September. It was like September 30th to be exact. It was like the last day of September. So yeah, a lot has changed since then. I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. I've just been really enjoying the college life, and I've been just enjoying time with my friends and stuff. Also, still going through the same situations that I was the last time I talked to you about, but yeah, so I've been going through some things, and yeah, so sorry that I haven't made videos, but I am back and I'm going to try to be more consistent. Like I said, this first couple months of college I might not post a whole lot because I'm still trying to get used to, and that is exactly what I've been trying to do, is trying to get used to time schedule. And it's been kind of hard to figure out when to fit in YouTube in my busy schedule, because my writing class, which I'm so glad that I'm almost done with, has just been really hard, and that's the main class that is the reason why I can't film, because if I didn't have that class, then I probably would have time to film. It's just, it takes up a lot of time, that class. But I'm just gonna call this a Thanksgiving tutorial. I don't even know if I'm gonna put the old intro in. I might just have this as the new intro, but I will be doing a life update on some things about my life and why I've been gone. Some things I'm not gonna like share because it's not the whole world's business, and I don't want to invade my privacy or the people that involves privacy. Like, it's just like family things as usual, like crazy family problems, drama, whatever that's been happening. But yeah, I just want to come on here and say sorry that I've been gone, but I don't know when you'll get a life update. I don't know if you'll get it before. I want to try to film one like on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then like have it posted like before Thanksgiving or even on Thanksgiving, because I really want to vlog Black Friday, and I really want to do what I got for Black Friday haul. So I'm gonna try my best to start being consistent. It's just like, bear with me, I am still trying to get used to college and what works, and sorry for my messy bed in the background, but I'm sure you guys don't mind. I'm just trying to figure out what's best for me, and like I said, I've been just doing me and working on me and growing as a person, and just enjoying times with my amazing friends from college. I have like an amazing friend group, and we have so much fun together and stuff, and this is the most fun I've had in a while. Like, although there's some things in my life that are going wrong and that suck like butt, and I wish I didn't have to go through, there's also like things to distract me. So I mean, yeah, so yeah, I just want to come on here and say sorry, and yeah, sorry that this video is from so long ago, but I figured it was still nice to get up, because I honestly thought I lost the footage, but because that's what's been happening too. Every time I go to have a video or whatnot, the footage gets lost. So yeah, so I'm glad that this footage is still on and stuff. I just have to now what was I gonna say? Just gotta edit it and then post it on YouTube. I'm probably gonna post this tonight, because I don't know what my uploading schedule is gonna be like, because I'm busy Tuesday, so I probably won't have time. I know I can record it, but like, yeah, and that's another thing that's made me not upload, is because currently my beauty Instagram is not working. So yeah, I will go more into detail about that with my life update video. I don't know why it's not working, but it's making me sad, and I don't know how to contact Instagram in order for it to get fixed. So sorry I haven't been active on there, because I would have updated you guys on there on why I've been gone lately. Also, I've been working a lot, been doing a lot of freelance makeup and doing makeup for people. So that's been keeping me busy too, making the moolah. But yeah, I'm not gonna go. I need to stop trying to talk about my life, because a life update is there for a reason. But hopefully I could do a coffee talk sometime this week and film it and upload it before the Black Friday videos come, so I could explain to you guys everything. Like couple things I can't explain, because like I said, too personal to post on YouTube. But yeah, what you gonna do? Yeah, so I think that's all I gotta say. Again, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to apologize in advance, because I'm not going to remember every single one of these colors that I use, because again, this was filmed 2 months ago, so I apologize. But I pretty much have a good idea of what colors I did use. It's all coming back to me as I watch this. So I know for sure in the crease I did put burnt orange in the Modern Renaissance palette. I remember specifically using the Modern Renaissance palette and basically the Kylie Valentine's Day palette. Then I put in Real Gar in my crease also. And yeah, put that in my crease to give it that more fall, burnt out look that y'all want. And then I also remember putting in, Kylie's Valentine's Day palette. I don't even know if this is the right thing. I think Be Mine it is. It's that like peachy color in that palette. And I put that in my eye also. And blended it out, and then just blending that out some more, and then I'm also putting like what is it? Yeah, the peach color, I think. And then I end up going for the Modern Renaissance, what's those colors called? Oh, Red Ochre and Love Letter and Via Not Red, and mix those also and put that in the crease. I think that's what I put in next, yeah, because it's starting to get like more like pinky-ish. And then I took let's see. Oh my gosh, I just realized, wow. Okay, I'm not going to say what I realized, because then I can't put it in my life update video, but that's funny. I just realized that. And then I'm putting in, whatchamacallit, so let's see, Love Potion and, Hard Eyes, if I'm reading this right, in my crease, and deepening up a little bit, and giving it that more like pinky orangey feel that I wanted to put, and kind of creating a halo eye effect. And then I also took a MAC color. I want to say cranberry, but I could totally be wrong about the color name from MAC, but I know I use that. And sorry if you see me singing to the songs. But then let's see. Then I'm grabbing some more tools. Then I'm blending that all together. And I'm dipping that up more and add some more orange and stuff to give it that pop. And then I'm taking that like really dark purplish brownish shimmery color in Kylie's palette. I think it's called Romance if I'm reading the palette right. And I would put that on my lid as a good all over lid shade. This was just like really nice for fall, but I'm obviously gonna just call this a Thanksgiving makeup tutorial since since it's basically like winter weather here. And I don't know, I guess like, I don't know, I'm just gonna call it Thanksgiving makeup tutorial since I didn't know what to call this in the first place. Anyways, then I'm blending that all out and just like retouching the like a real gar and burnt orange so that doesn't get like disappear. And then my camera almost fell and then I thought I looked bad. Then I'm continue blending and just adding and fixing things like I usually do. And then let's see. Blending again. I didn't do my best blending job with this look, but it still turned out really good. And we're blending as usual. Then we're on to priming my face as per usual. I'm putting foundation on. Well, I already primed my face before I started the clip. I added the same like burnt brownish color Romance from the Kylie palette and under my eyes, and I'm putting foundation on. Probably using Studio Sculpt, but I don't know. But I'm just blending that out. Sorry that this is speeded up, but this would have been like a 30-minute video if I didn't speed it up. So I'm just blending that all out as per usual. Blending that foundation out as per usual. And then blending out my under eyes. Drawing eyeshadow as usual. Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and putting that on my under eyes, my nose, my forehead to blend it all out. Because you know how we do. Blending that to highlight as per usual. See that out, takes forever. Then blending the eyeshadow out again, that's underneath my eye because it looked like so harsh and not blended out. Sorry for like all the kissy faces and keep on sticking out my tongue and everything. Sorry. Then we're on to contour as per usual. Carving out those cheekbones, ladies and gents. Am I right? Am I right? Bronzing in the cheeks, and then we're gonna blend that all out so it doesn't look like we have mud all over our face. And then we put blush, maybe, or we just leave it. Oh, like trans. Using powder, carving it out so it don't look like mud. That. Then we'll put the blush on. I don't know what blush I use, but probably a MAC blush as usual. I love MAC blushes. And we'll blend the blush out so it's not as harsh. Highlighting faces as usual. I will glow like a glazed donut. And then wiping the bake off. So that was my dark fall makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm gonna call this. I might just call this fall makeup tutorial because I don't even know how to describe this look, but it's just, I love it. I wish I was brave enough to wear this like dramatic of makeup out in public. I wish I would have put on lashes, but honestly I don't have any because I used them all my lashes for the weddings I've had these last couple weekends. So I didn't do that. I didn't have lashes, so I need to go out and buy more lashes. So mental note, Haley, buy more lashes because you need some. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry it was all over the place and not really well thought out or prepared, and it was kind of like I was going through the motions because I literally didn't realize I was recording. And sorry I don't really look presentable. I'm in a sweatshirt and braids, but it's okay. But this really made my mood happy and made me happy and lifted up my spirits. So I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let's try to get me to 1,000 before the end of 2018. That would literally make life awesome. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And again, go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty for more makeup looks. I am a freelance makeup artist. I might be able to do you if you're near my area, but yeah, I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.